Markus, Alexandra und Anita Hofmann, Norman Langen, Ross Anthony und sogar mit ihrem Ehemann Lenny Isis. Eine Ehre, so sagt sie selbst, sei der gemeinsame Song von ihr, der Country-Fanin, mit der deutschen oder mit den deutschen Country-Legenden. Der Titel heißt Jolene, können wir alle mitsingen. Achtung, im Studio zusammen standen Stefanie, Hertel und Truckstop.
Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can.
Your beauty is beyond compare with flaming locks and auburn hair and iris skin and eyes of emerald green. Your smile is like a breath of spring, your voice is soft like summer rain, and I cannot compete with you, Jolene.
He talks about you in his sleep, there's nothing I can do to keep from crying when he calls your name, Jolene. And I can easily understand how you could easily take my man, but you don't know what it means to me, Jolene. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can. You could have your choice of man, but I could never love again. He's the only one for me, Jolene. I had to have this talk with you. My happiness depends on you. Whatever you decide to do, Jolene. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can. Jolene,
Jolene,
Klingt doch gut. Dankeschön, Stefanie, und Dankeschön.